Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the layer in AutoCAD. So a layer is used to control and manage the drawing in AutoCAD. It will control the visibility of object and can assign properties such as color, line type, and line weight. The objects on a layer normally assume the properties of that layer. However, we can override any layer property of an object. Then we also have the depth points layer. This is the standard system layer used by AutoCAD. The depth points layer is automatically generated when a dimension is created in AutoCAD. The dimensioning components such as the extension lines, the arrowhead, dimension line, and the dimension text are placed on that current layer. Example, let's say we are going to create an object. So first, we will assign a layer. We'll select the layer properties, and then under the layer properties, we will select the new layer. And then we are going to give the name for our layer. So I will give the name of the layer object because we are going to create an object. And then I will going to double click to select our object. We can now see our current layer. The name of our layer is the object layer. So I will now create a circle. The dimension is 2. And then I will use the polygon 6 side, center, circumscribe. So this is now our object. So now let's say we are going to get the dimension of our object. So again, we are going to make another layer, select the new layer, and then this time the name of our layer will be dimension, and then we can change the color. The different layer we can assign different colors. So here under the color, so let's say for the dimension I will use the cyan. Okay. And then we can also change our line weight. So I will use the 0.9 mm, and then we are going to select the dimension layer so that this will be now our current dimension. So now we can get the dimension. Okay, and then we will get the diameter. So this is just an example. Why is it very important to use a layer in our drawing? So let's say we want to hide our dimension. So we are going to select this fly out, the layer, and then we're going to turn off our dimension layer. Okay, so now our dimension is now turned off so we cannot see our dimension. If we want to bring it back, we can turn on our layer for the dimension. So let's say we want to change the line weight for our object. So we'll go to the layer properties, and then under the object, select the object, and then we will go to the line weight, and then let's say we'll select the 0.30 millimeter, and then OK. Then we'll close, and then after we change our line weight in the layer properties, we are going to turn on our show and hide line weight. So at the moment it is turned off, so we're going to select this to turn on. So as you can see, we now change the line weight of our object, and then we can also change the line type. So we'll go to the layer properties. So let's say we'll go under the line type. At the moment the line type is a continuous, so we select under the object, select the line type, and then here we are going to select the load. Here we will select our line type. So let's say we will select the, okay, so let's say we'll select this hidden line. Okay, then OK. So now the line type of our object is now a hidden line. So let's see. So as you can see, if we're going to turn off our line weight, so let's turn off. So now we can see that our line type is now a hidden line. So next we'll bring it back, our line type of our object. So let's bring it back to continuous line. We can also lock our layer. So let's say for the layer object, we are going to lock, and we'll see what will happen. So our object now is locked. We cannot edit our object because the layer is locked. So we'll select again the properties, unlock our layer. So as you can see now, we can now edit our layer, and then we can change the color, and also we can make our layer freeze. So if we select if we turn on the freeze, so our object now is hidden. So let's go back to layer. We'll go into unfreeze our layer. So now our layer now is unfreeze. So this is how to use the layer. Okay. So by the way, if we're going to go to our layer properties, we can now see the depth points because we have a dimension. So the depth point is automatically generated every time we make a dimension in the AutoCAD. Okay, so I have also another example. I have here a floor plan, and here these are organized by layer. As we can see here in our layer, we have a layer for the text, the window, the wall, even the viewport. We have a layer. We have a layer for the roof text and the kitchen. We also have the elevation, the door, and the dimension, and a lot more layers that is connected in our drawing. So this is how we organize our drawing by using a layer. So let's say we want to turn off the layer for our hatch. So this is our hatch. So we'll go to the layer, and then we'll look for the hatch. Then we turn off our hatch. So as you can see now, we cannot see anymore our hatch. So this is why we need to create a layer in our drawing, so that if we want to hide a portion of our drawing, it is very easy for us to do that by only selecting the layer that we want to turn off. So let's bring it back, our hatch. So this is how to use the layer in our drawing. So this is it, guys, for the layer command. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.